If text on websites feels too small, difficult to read, or you simply prefer a different font, Google Chrome gives you several built-in options to customize how text is displayed. You can change the default font, adjust the font size, and even set a minimum font size for better readability. In this video, I'll show you how to change the default font and font size in Google Chrome. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Settings. On the left side, click Appearance, then scroll down and select Fonts. If you want to find the page more quickly, you can also type fonts into the Settings search bar. At the top, you'll find the font size setting. Click the drop-down menu and choose between very small, small, medium, large, or very large, depending on what's most comfortable for you. Below that, you'll see the Customize Fonts section. Here you can choose your preferred standard font, serif font, sans serif font, fixed width font, and math font. Each serves a different purpose. Most websites use the standard font unless they specify their own fonts. Serif fonts include small decorative strokes on each letter and are often used in books and traditional websites. Sans serif fonts have a cleaner, more modern appearance and are commonly used across the web. Fixed-width fonts display every character using the same amount of horizontal space, making them ideal for code snippets, terminal output, and technical content. The math font is used for displaying mathematical symbols and equations on supported websites. You'll also find the minimum font size slider. Increasing this value prevents websites from displaying text that's too small, making browsing more comfortable without changing the zoom level. Feel free to experiment with the different font families and sizes until you find a combination that works best for your eyes. Keep in mind that some websites use their own fonts, so these settings may not affect every page you visit. And that's it. You've successfully customized the default fonts and font size in Google Chrome. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Chrome tutorials, browser customization guides, accessibility tips, and tech videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.